Okay, now that we have the worm's eye view of a cube, because the worm is looking up so you can see the bottom of the rectangular prism actually. Now let's try something that's eye level. It can be outside, that's on a horizon line, or inside, somewhere that's eye level. If you're gonna look at a cube right on the horizon line, you're gonna do the same thing, start with a square, and then connect the closest corners to the vanishing point. And it can be on either side of the vanishing point. This one's actually less lines to connect because you only have two, right here and right here. And you connect those to the vanishing point with a dotted, dashed, or otherwise light line that you can erase later. I'm keeping them on here now so you can see. And then you make your parallel line, parallel to this side, in this case it's vertical. And connect the ones you want. And you could erase the horizon line in the middle of that if you didn't want it to be a transparent cube, and add more from there. If you have one directly above or below the vanishing point where you'd only see the top of it or the bottom of it, you can draw a square directly above the vanishing point and do the same thing. And you're only gonna see the top or the bottom of it. In this case, it'll be the bottom. So I'll draw the square like that. And connect the closest corners to the vanishing point. Make sure you're always using your ruler. Do not assume that you can draw a straighter line, and do not assume that it's faster to draw a straighter line without a ruler. Use that tool to make sure that you have nice, precise lines, and that they look straight and clean and neat. This is an opportunity to use one of your mechanical pencils that comes to a nice point. Have a nice sharp pencil handy, clean pen if you want to risk not making any mistakes. But here's a cube right above the vanishing point. Again, you can only see the bottom because you're a worm looking up at it. This is the worm's eye view, right above the horizon line. Eye level, below the horizon line would be a bird's eye view. So those are basic cubes. Stay tuned for the next step.